Are you ready to transform your garden into a charming country-style retreat? In our video today, we're demystifying the question that's on every gardener's mind. What are cottage garden plants? We're going to introduce you to 20 key plants that can help turn your garden into a picturesque cottage-style sanctuary. If you're fascinated by lush blooms, diverse foliage, and the romantic aura of an English country garden, then stay with us as we embark on this delightful journey. Chapter 1. Understanding Cottage Garden Plants. Cottage gardens originated in the Victorian era, and their timeless charm still captivates gardeners today. Drawing inspiration from the quaint beauty of the English countryside, these gardens are not about strict design and perfectly manicured beds. Instead, they embrace a casual, more natural layout, with a mix of vibrant blooms, lush greenery, and rustic garden elements. If you dream of a garden that brings the enchanting wilderness closer to home, the cottage garden style is for you. Chapter 2. The unconventional beauty of cottage gardens. The magic of a cottage garden lies in its seemingly unstructured design. It is a harmonious blend of assorted plants varying in height, bloom time, and color palette. The idea is to create a continuously changing panorama that brims with life, color, and beauty throughout the seasons. An intricate maze of flowers, vines, and bushes, it is a celebration of diversity and the myriad forms of nature's artistry. Chapter 3. The 20 key plants for your cottage garden. It's time now to delve deeper into our topic and identify the 20 key plants that can help bring your dream cottage garden to life. Each of these plants has been chosen for their unique characteristics that make them ideal for this garden style. 1. Roses. Synonymous with English gardens, roses are the epitome of romance and charm. Available in an assortment of colors and fragrances, their intricate blooms are a sight to behold, transforming any garden into a storybook setting. 2. Lavender. Lavender is prized for its calming scent and striking purple hue. This hardy plant not only adds a pop of color but also brings a delightful aroma that makes your garden a serene haven. 3. Delphiniums. With their towering spires of blue flowers, Delphiniums lend a sense of grandeur to the cottage garden. These quintessential cottage plants add a stunning vertical element, drawing the eyes upward to the sky. 4. Peonies. Known for their luxurious, full-bodied blooms, peonies are showstoppers. Their flowers appear in late spring to early summer, offering a magnificent display that can range from pure white to deep red. 5. Foxgloves. Foxgloves are loved for their charming bell-shaped flowers. They attract a variety of pollinators, making your garden a buzzing ecosystem. Their pastel hues and towering heights add both color and dimension. 6. Hellebores. Hellebores are perfect for those shadier corners in your garden. Blooming when most plants are dormant, they offer unexpected color in late winter and early spring, providing a pleasant surprise amidst the chill. 7. Clematis. Clematis are climbing plants that contribute a dynamic vertical aspect to your garden. Their bright and beautiful flowers can cover trellises, fences, or even other shrubs, creating a layered look. 8. Geraniums. Known for their easy growth and vibrant colors, geraniums are a gardener's delight. Their bright blooms, which come in a variety of colors, add a cheerful tone to any garden setting. 9. Hollyhocks. Standing tall and stately, hollyhocks are ideal for the back of the garden. Their lofty stalks studded with vibrant disc-like flowers add depth and a stunning backdrop for other plants. 10. Iris. Irises stand out with their unique shape and diverse color palette. Their spear-like foliage and blooms that range from deep purples to bright yellows make them an attractive feature. 11. Poppies. Poppies are renowned for their delicate, crepe paper-like blooms that add a burst of color. Whether the classic red or other shades, they provide an impressive display when they sway together with the breeze. 12. Sweet peas. Known for their delightful fragrance and pretty flowers, sweet peas add a charming and sensory appeal to your garden. Climbing up trellises or arches, they make a delightful sight with their soft, pastel-colored blooms. 13. Marigold. Marigolds are known for their fiery orange color that creates a striking contrast against the green. They're also known for their pest-repelling properties, making them both functional and visually appealing. 14. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums, easy to grow and perfect for filling gaps, offer a lush ground-covering carpet of green leaves with brilliant edible flowers in summer. Their versatility makes them an asset to any cottage garden. 15. Phlox. Phlox flowers grow in dense clusters, creating a sense of fullness and abundance. Their vibrant hues and sweet fragrance make them an ideal choice for both visual appeal and aromatic pleasure. 16. Bellflowers. Bellflowers, true to their name, feature adorable bell-shaped blooms that add whimsy to your garden. Available in many colors, they often serve as a delightful carpet of color beneath taller plants. 17. Daisies. Daisies are simple, classic, and a universal symbol of innocence and purity. Their radiant white petals around a bright yellow core never fail to brighten up any garden space. 18. Lupins. Lupins are eye-catching with their tall, colorful spikes that add height and textural diversity. Their multicolored towers of flowers are perfect for providing a vertical element in your garden. 19. Salvia. Salvia is treasured for its intense blue color and long-lasting blooms. It's also drought-tolerant and loved by bees and butterflies, making it an environmentally friendly choice. 20. Yarrow. Yarrow is a resilient plant known for its feathery foliage and clusters of flowers. It adds a touch of wild beauty and comes in several colors, making it a great addition to any cottage garden. Chapter 4. Cultivating your dream cottage garden. Now that you're familiar with the 20 key plants for a cottage garden, the next step is envisioning how they can come together to create a stunning panorama. Consider their individual blooming times, plant height, color, and how they'll interact with each other. Remember, the goal is to create a garden that's in constant evolution, offering a continuous display of color and fascination. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of what are cottage garden plants, 20 key plants to create your dream garden, we leave you with a challenge. Which of these plants are you planning to add to your garden? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Together, we can continue to learn and cultivate beautiful, thriving spaces. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.